if you don't allow nota in a case where there is only one candidate left, then what is happening is that this system will perpetuate itself. Otherwise,
Some compulsory mechanism, not very harsh mechanism, but some compulsory mechanism to ensure that people go and vote. Take Muslim.
So this is that matter where the nota, that if there's only one candidate in one seat, then he's declared elected. So the people who are saying none of the above don't get the right at all. And now what's happening is now 300 seats now. Sorry. So, but this lordship, because now again, this year 6 assemblies are going to poll. Now in the Maharashtra assembly election also, there are a number of council elections.
The election commission, my lords, in item.
But one date lordship may fix because all assembly.
Can it be in the first week of May, my lords? Learned in the first week of May, if not inconvenient to my lords.
There are 5 elections in 26 and 7 in 2027.
it'll take about an hour.
They challenge the validity of 53
In all, it will take about an hour.
or max.
We will adjust it. Adjust to one of
As
those.
the lordship pointed out, the short point is whether nota can be frustrated, saying if one candidate alone is there, then he's directly
No,
declared
I-
elected.
I have a direct answer to that question.
One of the days I was reading the counter affidavit. Counter affidavit also looks to makes some sense. We don't know. We are
I-
still very. The point is very interesting.
But I have only one proposition to your
What
lordships.
happens is, suppose
If there is no fundamental right to
Strengthening the- Strengthening the democratic values.
yes,
With that objective in mind.
what happens is this. Suppose there is only one candidate. Now, because of various means, other people are asked to go away, one person stands. He gets 10,000 votes in an assembly election. Suppose the nota says 13,000, then there is no, it has to be again held. Now,
It
the
doesn't
300,
have to
let
again
it be
held,
held. Let it
But
be
it will
held.
put pressure on the parliament to bring consequences for nota. Today, there are no consequences.
There are no
on-
consequences.
It is for
But that
parliament to
puts
decide
pressure.
about consequences.
Once, my lord, this happens, because what will happen is that if there is only a single candidate, nota will actually receive a lot of votes. Today, nota is not receiving too
But
many.
if I suppose
It's
the overall average for winning an election, suppose it come to 35%. And there is a candidate where 45% voters have boycotted him or negative voting against him.
Yes, yes.
What should be, Mr. Attorney? We are not.
We will be bringing in proportional request.
we are entering into too many hypothetical situations. A law cannot be tested on this basis.
Existing framework, there is no, there is a
The whole
difficulty.
but it
purpose.
is not
But
hypothetical.
they are only asking.
Absolutely hypothetical.
No, I can make sure that
It's
nobody
not
else contests.
hypothetical, Mr. Raja, but it's not hypothetical.
It's not hypothetical.
It is possible. But the thing is to give nota the precedence of an uncontested candidate would in fact result in a contest between nota and
Exactly.
Exactly.
a candidate. Nota is not a person applying to fill up a seat.
Exactly.
How can we evolve a scheme which is alien to the representation of
No,
people?
Lord, what is happening? There's an increasing danger, and I can be given all the statistics.
What you are suggesting is a much larger issue of electoral reforms.
Yes.
Of bringing in, as Mr. Bhushan says, a minimum cutoff or a proportional representation election system where
No, Lord, at the moment, the policy, at the moment, if a lordship strikes down 53,
that
if
is
a lordship
too
strikes
large for
53.
the court to even
No,
forget about bite.
But virtually, my lord, what he,
No, but
Probably you are not saying that we should in a way directly legislate.
हम लोग कैसे करेंगे?
yes.
we are just saying,
Yes.
if your lordship is strike down 53,
Election Commission, Parliament has to
They
consider.
are there.
if your lordship strikes down
Indirectly,
position
my lord,
that
they
once
want, my lord,
there's only one
indirectly, that it should be given the status of fundamental right, which is now a statutory right, my lord, right to vote.
candidate- No, my lord.
This is what is the indirect, my lord, approach.
Sir, right to vote today in subsequent judgments have been given a constitutional
1918.
right.
Yes.
So
At best.
that quality of right to vote becoming, it's a constitutional right.
But not fundamental right as such, my lord, as yet.
Is there.
Your lordship, you can take judicial notice of the danger what's happening on the ground.
No, no, no.
Maharashtra election gives statistics.
Please,
The number of
I
seats where
I
there
would
is no
very
contest
humbly
is
advise the
increasing year
court.
by year.
People are forced to withdraw.
Yes.
and
Nobody
they've
is-
followed uncontested.
They're going to give
Oh, what?
statistics.
If that was the situation, actually your lordship is absolutely right. Then Nota will receive very substantial votes. Nota may also receive more votes than the other candidate, the only candidate who is left. Though
Right.
today, under the law, that will not result in the election being declared void,
Then
but it will put pressure on the
this
legislature.
is what we are proposing to you, that the theory that you are propounding before us actually won't grant any relief to anyone because
Yes.
the
Absolutely,
voter cannot fill up a seat.
I beg to
For
differ
the
because
time being-
absolutely, lordships are right.
I beg to
Less
differ.
than Nota will always fill up the
No,
seat.
no, but I beg to differ, lordship. Slide on 53. Today, what happens is if one candidate is there, election doesn't take place. Nobody knows how many votes he has got. But if the election continues,
All,
because now
all
what
that
is
is a
the-
matter for,
Rather, you are looking at a situation
Yeah.
where we will create a vacuum in the legislative assemblies and
But
parliaments.
then what's the purpose in giving nota? Because a person who is only
let,
Well, one of the purpose, offhand I can say, and what prompted this court to incorporate Nota was to encourage people to go to the voting station and express their
yes.
no confidence with regard to the offered candidates.
Yes.
That is all. It was more a persuasive exercise.
Not
Court
19.
said,
Doesn't create any.
No, I think
court
there's
said
Unless
that
a
this
constitution-
Nota will persuade the parties not to put up,
all right,
yes, to get better candidates.
all right.
That's why your lordship is right. But if you don't allow Nota in a case where there is only one candidate left, then what is happening is that this system will perpetuate itself. Otherwise, there is likelihood of reforms and
Mr. Bhushan, we've been using Nota for about a decade. Has the quality of candidates chosen improved
It
on
will.
moral standards
no,
or
no.
on candidates are essentially chosen on their electability?
Yes.
Actually,
Lordship is
it's a
right.
democratic exercise.
Sometimes it looks that we need to introduce some kind of some compulsory mechanism, not very harsh mechanism, but some compulsory mechanism to ensure that people go and vote.
Yes.
No, my lord, what happens is now today in most voting is more than
It
56.
may not be punitive in nature.
Not-
It may not have very serious
Mr.
consequences, but
some
I
kind
do
of
not know, you
incentive.
would have better data, but at least experience tells me that it's the educated, well-off people who vote less,
Yes.
and less educated, economically weak people vote more.
More.
Yes, yes, that is
That's
absolutely
in the
correct.
US, that's all over the world, that's not a problem.
That is clearly established.
Yes.
Your lordship is
My
absolutely
what,
right.
my submission is,
Very, my lord,
lordship
Where-
permit,
correctly
where
fallen
is
from my lord.
education,
That
where is
something should be there
empowerment?
at place
rural
to
areas,
encourage the people to go to vote.
in rural areas, the day of voting is still a day of celebration.
Yes.
Because women, they are exempted from going to farm work, labor work, and they get little bit shy of relief from the other works also. And they go in groups,
Yes.
singing songs, celebrating, and then they vote for it.
actually in the last 2-3
But
days, the
unfortunately,
voting percentage increased, gone up to
elite
65%,
classes-
70% in the last few years,
Women voters have
much more.
proportionately increased in all the sections of, or rather areas in the country.
Lord, if your
Across
lordship
the
accepts this, our stand, what will happen is this incentive to make sure nobody contests against me will go.
No, no,
Even
no,
if
I'm
I
sorry,
start
I'm
driving
sorry.
away people, I'm not
No,
going
no.
to sail home. I
No.
can still have people against
So
me.
we follow what you're saying. It would only give a sense of persuasiveness as
Yes.
Nota in multiple votes is
That's right, that's right.
a matter of.
Nota can never be an entity, my lords.
It can't be because it doesn't fill up a seat.
Yes, what has fallen from my lords is that it is an expression only.
Item 40, we are just taking one or two matters.
39, the date
Right.
may be good.
Your lordship may give a date, my lords. Sometimes in May, my lords.
April date we are.
Sometimes in May,
Because of that, Wallace,
May or July.
that matter where 4 years out of 6 years have been consumed. Item 54 is the matter.
We are just coming to item 40 first of all.
I am in 40, my lord.
Uh,
All the respondents, yes.